welcome back to Roshni Vlogs. So, you're thinking what I'm showing, right? Can you guess where we are? Yes, we're at Villaggio. And that is the Torch Tower. The speciality of Villaggio is the ceiling. So let's see what the ceiling looks like. So this is the ceiling. I love looking up. So once when I came here, I thought the ceiling was real. It was clouds. So I was like, wow, it looks so beautiful. So come on, let's get going. A short break. Do not skip it. So we saw these 2 eggs laid in our garden, and it was laid on a mop by this mother bird. So the mother bird always sat on the egg. Did you know it took 20 days to crack? So it was born and it looked like this. Unfortunately, we were not able to take a video when it was cracking an egg. Short break is over. Let's go to the video. We actually reached here at 5 o'clock only. And you know what this place is? We saw morning time, so where is night time? Here we are. Here it's like a dome shaped, so when we speak, our voice echoes back. Hello. Hello. Yes, this is where I love. So this is a food court, so I love coming to mall and eating food. So it's very tasty. This is ice skating. I saw a person doing this. It looked very nice actually. I love to go there, but it was this time period, so I wasn't able to go there. So walking, I'm very tired. So let's go inside a shop and let's see. While walking to the shop, we saw this candy station where I can get many candies which I like. Then we have to pay for it, so I took as much as I want. I first took this raspberry jelly. Then I took the sour beans, which was a little bit sour. There was many yummy chocolates and candies here. I love the gummy bears which is here. I buy it always whenever I look at it. So those were eyeballs which tasted awful and sour and bitter. I cannot say it was very good. So please do not try it, but try other ones. Those were star jellies. Okay, so now our mission is to the shops. So there was a river. I once went on this river when I was 5 years or 4 years, I think. Let's go up here and let's see the river. Oh, I like the rhyming words here. Okay, now let's go to the shops. There are lots of cooking utensils here. More of baking stuff. Most of the things here was very expensive. I really liked whatever this thing is. Oops, it's upside down for you. Yeah, now it's correct. It says love. This is just for you. I can show it clearly for you. Yeah, you can see it, right? This was some butter cup. It was actually very heavy. So you know this, right? It's a chocolate fountain. I love this so badly. Do you like chocolate? Please comment in the comment box. Time for dinner. The time was already 10 o'clock night. So I love this Asha's hotel. So my dad was like, okay, we can go to this hotel. So I was very happy and excited. Most of you must have gone to hotel, but have your plate shaped ever been like this? Yeah, it looks like an oval kind of egg shape. It's not circle at all. In the camera it looks like that, but it's not at all circle. As a starter, they served us this yummy food. I really like this. Okay, I like everything. What do I don't like? Wow, this yummy, tasty, blah, I couldn't explain it, but it was so amazing. Then later we bought a mixed platter samosa. So like 2 cheese and 2 chicken and 2 something. And I got cheese. It's my favorite. Okay, I love food. Who hates food? Comment in the comment box below. The meal that day was so tasty and yummy and colorful. I loved it. If you ever come to this hotel, so please eat this. It's so yummy. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Let's go back. If you like this video, like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.